Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Windows PC in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Go to Devices, then click on Bluetooth and other devices. Toggle the switch to turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already on. Step 2. Put device in pairing mode. Ensure your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Check the device's manual for specific instructions, usually involves holding down a button. Step 3. Add Bluetooth device. In the Bluetooth and other devices settings, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the pop-up window. Step 4. Select and connect. Your PC will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your device from the list. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 5. Verify connection. Once connected, your device will appear in the list of connected devices. And that's it. You've successfully connected a Bluetooth device to your Windows PC. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.